Let's start by doing 1 square. 1 square, you can write it as 1 times of 1, which becomes equal to 1. Let's write 2 square. 2 square is nothing but 2 times of 2. 2 times of 2 is 4. So this is going to become 4. Let's start by writing 3 square. 3 square can be written as 3 times of 3. 3 times of 3, which is equal to 9. So it is 9. 4 square can be written as 4 times of 4. 4 times of 4 is 16. 4 times of 4 is 16. So it's going to become 16. Now let's start by 5 square. Now let's do this one. That is 5 square. 5 square can be written as 5 times of 5. 5 times of 5 is 25. So 5 square becomes 25. 6 square can be written as equal to 6 times of 6. 6 times of 6, which is 36. So this is going to become 36. Now let's write about 7 square. 7 square equal to 7 times of 7. 7 times of 7 is 49. So 7 square is 49. Let's write 8 square. 8 square equal to 8 times of 8. 8 times of 8 is 64. So 8 square is 64. Let's write what is 9 square. 9 square can be written as 9 times of 9, which is 81. So 9 square is 81. 10 square is equal to 10 times of 10. 10 times of 10 is 100. So 10 square is 100. Let's write 11 square. 11 square can be written as 11 times of 11. 11 times of 11 is 121. Let's write 12 square. It can be written as 12 times of 12. 12 times of 12 is 144. So it is equal to 144. Let's write what is 13 square. From here you can write this one as 13 square. It is equal to 13 times of 13. 13 times of 13, you can split and write 13 as 10 plus 3 times of 13. Now you can multiply this. 13 times of 10 is 130 plus 13 times of 3 is 39. 130 plus 39 is 169. So this is going to become 169. And let's write what is 14 square. It can be written as equal to 14 times of 14. So it becomes 14 can be written as 10 plus 4 times of 14. 14 times of 10 is 140 plus 14 times of 4 is 56. 140 plus 56 is 196. So it's going to become 196. And now let's write what is after 14 square. 15 square. 15 square equal to 15 times of 15. Now 15 can be split and written as 10 plus 5 times of 15. 15 times of 10 is 150 plus 15 times of 5 is 75. It's going to become 225. So this 15 square is 225. Let's write 16 square. 16 square can be written as 16 times of 16. Now you can write here, split and write here as 10 plus 6 times of 16. 16 times of 10 is 160 plus 16 times of 6 is 96. 256. So this is going to be equal to 256. Let's write here 17 square. 17 square equal to 17 times of 17. You can split and write 17 as 10 plus 7 times of 17. 17 times of 10 is 170 plus 17 times of 17 is 119. 170 plus 119 is 289. So this completely equal to 289. Let's write 18 square. 18 square can be written as equal to 18 times of 18. Now you can write here 18 split and write it as 10 plus 8 times of 18. 18 times of 10 becomes 180 plus 18 times of 8, which is 144. 180 plus 144, it's equal to 324. So this completely equal to 324. Let's take this 19 square. 19 square can be written as equal to 19 times of 19 times of this 19 times of 19. Now you can write this 19 as 20 minus 1 times of 19. Now 19 times of 20 is 380 minus 19 times of 1 is 19. 380 minus 19 is 361. So this completely equal to 361. 20 square equal to 20 times of 20. 20 times of 20 is 400. So this completely equal to 400. Let's write now 21 square. 21 square can be written as 21 times of 21. You can split and write 21 as 20 plus 1 times of 21. You're going to get it as 21 times of 2 is 42, so it is 420 plus 21 times of 1 is 21. It's going to become 441. So this 21 square is 441. Let's write 22 square. 22 square can be written as 22 times of 22. Now you can write here 22 as split and write it as 20 plus 2 times of 22. Now you're going to get 22 times of 2 is 44. 44 with that 0 plus 22 times of 2 is again 44. 440 plus 44 is 484. So this completely equal to 22 square is 484. Let's write one more thing, that is 23 square. 23 square can be written as 23 times of 23. Now you can write here 23 as 20 plus 3 times of 23. Now you're going to get here 23 times of 2 is 46, so it is 460 plus 23 times of 3, which is 69. It's going to become 529. So this 23 square equal to 529. Now let's write what is 24 square. 24 square can be written as equal to 24 times of 24. Now you can split and write here as 20 plus 4 times of 24. 24 times of 2 is 48. So 24 times of 20 is 480. 24 times of 4 is 96. When you add them, you're going to get it as 576. So this 24 square is 576. Now let's write about 25 square. 25 square can be written as 25 times of 25. 25 times of 25. Here also you can split and write this one, that is 20 plus 5 times of 25. 25 times of 2 is 50, so it is 500 plus 25 times of 5, which is 125. When you add them, you're going to get it as 625. So this completely equal to 625. Now let's write about 26 square. It can be written as 26 times of 26. Now you can split and write this 26 as 20 plus 6 times of 26. 26 times of 2 is 52, so it is 520 plus 26 times of 6, which is 120 plus 36, 156, which is going to become 676. This completely equal to 676. Let's write what is 27 square. 27 square equal to 27 times of 27. Now you're going to get here as 20 plus 7 times of 27. 27 times of 2 is 54, so it is 540 plus 27 times of 7. 20 times of 7 is 140. 7 times of 7 49. 140 plus 49, which is going to become 189, and when you add that you're going to get us 729. 729, so this 27 square is 729. Let's write what is 28 square. 28 square can be written as 28 times of 28. Now you can write 28 as 30 minus 2 times of 28. Now 28 times of 3, which is 80. 28 times of 3 is 84. So you're going to get it as 840 minus 28 times of 2 is 56. You're going to get it as 784. This is completely equal to 784. Now let's write what is 29 square. 29 square equal to 29 times of 29. You're going to get here as 30 minus 1 times of 29. 29 times of 3 is 87, so it is 870 minus 29, it's going to become 841. So this 29 square is 841. At last, the 30 square. 30 square can be written as equal to 30 times of 30. 30 times of 30 is 900. So it is 30 square is 900. 1 minute break. Let's do it again. Now you're going to get it as 31 square. 31 square can be written as 31 times of 31. 31 times of 31, you can write 31 as 30 plus 1 times of 31. You're going to get 31 times of 3 is 93. 930 plus 31, which is 961. So this is equal to 961. Let's write 32 square. It can be written as 32 times of 32. Now you can again split and write it as 30 plus 2 times of 32. Now 32 times of 3 is 96, so it is 960 plus 32 times of 2 is 64. That going to become 1024. This is equal to 1024. Let's write what is 33 square. 33 square can be written as 33 times of 33. Now you're going to get 33 can be written as 30 plus 3 times of 33. Now you can write 33 times of 3 is 99. 990 plus 33 times of 3 is 99. 990 plus 99, it's going to become 1089. This is 1089. Let's write what is 34 square. 34 square equal to 34 times of 34. Now you can write it as 30 plus 4 times of 34. You're going to get it as 34 times of 3, which is 90 plus 4 times of 3 is 12. That is 1020 plus 34 times of 4, which is 120 plus 12, that is 132. That going to become 25, that is 1152. So this completely equal to 1152. Let's write what is 35 square. 35 square can be written as equal to 35 times of 35. Now you're going to write it as 35 times of 30 plus 5 times of 35. Here 35 times of 3, which is 105 with 0 plus 35 times of 5, which becomes 175. Now you're going to, when you add it, you're going to get 1225. This completely equal to 35 square is 1225. Let's take what is 36 square. 36 square can be written as 36 times of 36. Now you can write the split and write it as 30 plus 6 times of 36. 36 times of 3, which is 90 plus 18, 108, 1080 plus this one, that is 36 times of 6, 180 plus 36, which is 216, which is going to become equal to 1296. So this 36 square is 1296. Let's write what is 37 square. 37 square equal to 37 times of 37. Now you're going to get it as 37 can be split and write it as 30 plus 7 times of 37. 37 times of 3, you're going to get it as equal to 90 plus 21, which is 111. 0 plus 30 times of 7 is 210. 7 times of 7 49. 259. You're going to get it as 1369. This is completely equal to 1369. Let's write what is 38 square. 38 square can be written as 38 times of 38. Now you can split and write 38 as 40 minus 2 times of 38. Now when you multiply 38 times of 4, which is 160 minus 8, which is 152. 1502 minus 38 times of 2, which is 76. When you subtract it, you're going to get it as 1 4, this 24, 1444. So this is equal to 1444. Let's write what is 39 square. 39 square can be written as equal to like this, that is 39 times of 39. So it can be written as 40 minus 1 times of 39. So this 39 times of 4, which is 1560 minus 39, it's going to become 1521. So this 39 square is 1521. Let's write what is 40 square. 40 square can be written as 40 times of 40. 40 times of 40 is 1660, that is 1600. Let's write what is 40 square. 40 square, you can write it as equal to 40. Now it is 41 square. 41 square is equal to 41 times of 41. Now you can split and write it as 40 plus 1 times of 41, that is 41 times of 4 is 164 plus 0 plus 41 times of 1, which is 41. When you add them, you're going to get it as equal to 1681. So this is equal to 1681. Now let's write what is 42 square. 42 square equal to 42 times of 42. Now you're going to get it as 40 plus 2 times of 42. 42 times of 4 is 168 with 0 plus 42 times of 2 is 84. When you add them, you're going to get it as 1764. So this 42 square is 1764. Let's write what is 43 square. 43 square can be written as equal to 43 times of 43. Now let's split and write it as 40 plus 3 times of 43. 43 times of 4 is equal to 43 4 times of 40, that is 160. 3 times of 4 is 12, 172. 1720 plus this 43 times of 3, that is 129. When you add it, you're going to get it as 1849. So this completely equal to 1849. Let's take what is 44 square. 44 square equal to 44 times of 44, and you're going to get it as 40 plus 4 times of 44. Now you're going to get 44 times of 4, 160 plus 16, 1760 plus 44 times of 4 again is the same thing, that is 176. 4 times of 4 160, 4 times of 4 16, 176. When you add it, you're going to get it as 1936. 1936. So this 44 square going to become 1936. Now let's take 45 square. 45 square can be taken as 45 times of 45. Now you can write it easily, 45 times of 45. Here you can write split and write 45 as 40 plus 5 times of 45. You're going to get 45 times of 4, which is 9180, 1800 plus 45 times of 5, which is 225. When you add it, you're going to get it as 2025. This is equal to 45 square is 2025. Now let's write 46 square. 46 square can be written as 46 times of 46. Now you can write here it as 40 plus 6 times of 46. 46 times of 4, which is 92 times of 2, 180 is 4. 184 0 plus uh, plus 46 times of 6, 4 times of 6 is 240, 6 times of 6 36, 276. 276. When you add it, you're going to get it as 2116. 2116, that is 2116. And you're going to get it as 47 square. 47 square equal to 47 times of 47, that is 40 plus 7 times of 47, that is 47 times of 4, 160 plus 7 times of 4, 28, that is 188 with that 0 plus 47 times of 7. 4 times of 7 is 280, 7 times of 7 49, 280 plus 49, which is equal to 329. When you add it, you're going to get it as 2000, 209, 2209. So this 47 square is 2209. Let's write what is 48 square. 48 square equal to 48 times of 48. 48 times of 48, you can write 48 as 40 plus 8 times of 48. You're going to get 48 times of 4 as 192, 192, 1920 plus 48 times of 8, which can be written as equal to 4 times of 8 is 320, 8 times of 8 64, 320 plus 64 384. When you add it, you're going to get it as 2304. So this is equal to 2304. Let's write what is 49 square. 49 square equal to 49 times of 49. 49. You can write this 49 as 50 minus 1 times of 49. 49 times of 5, which is 245. 245 0 minus 49, you're going to get it as 2401. So this 49 square is 2401. Let's write what is 50 square. 50 square can be written as 50 times of 50. 50 times of 50 is 2500. So this 2500 is 50 square. Now let's write what is this one, that is 51 square. 51 square equal to 51 times of 51. Now you can write 51 as 50 plus 1 times of 51. Now 51 times of 5, which is 255, is with 0 plus 51, it's going to become 2601. This completely equal to 2601. Bye.